Welcome to you all, curator and inspirator of maths to Kana math classes concerning 12th math of CBSE board. Now I am going to project a new topic based on differential calculus or derivative, and that is the application of derivative. Application of derivative is very useful in applied maths like engineering, science and other stream of social welfare. You will be astonished to know that from the derivative we know the rate of change of quantity with respect to time. Quantity means a rate of distance travel with respect to time. Rate of area changes with time, with respect to time. Many other functions of mathematics which may concern to time may be measured for development with respect to time. Here in mathematical language, in very brief, we apply the application of derivative in find out to rate of change of quantity with respect to time. Further, it is also used to know the equation of tangent and normals of specific curves at a specific point. And a term often used in the application of derivative is chain rule. Suppose a function of one variable depends upon another variable and another function depends upon the same variable, then we will have to find out. Suppose if x is a function of t, x is a function of t and y is the function of y is also function of t, and from this expression you have to find out the value of dy by dx. Then from this given occurrence we may find out dx by dt, and from this condition we may find dy by dt. So here we utilize the chain rule, that is dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. This is called chain rule. This is called chain rule. Often and generally we will use sometimes dy by dx here is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. It's very simple chapter and very important from the weightage of the bars obtained in forthcoming exam of CBSE board for class 12. So, in the consequence of above formula I have discussed you some moments earlier. We will try to find out the solution of question number 1 under exercise 6.1. Question number 1 is the find the area of circle है, तो enhancement of the area of circle with respect to its radius. Often if radius increases, the area of circle will also increase. So what will be the rate of area increasing with respect to radius increasing? We will have to find out this question. That is, we will have to find out dA by dr. Area of the circle which radius is r is equal to a is equal to pi r square. Pi r square. So this area of a circle is equal to pi r square. So what is the rate of change of the quantity with respect to radius? Now d dr of A. Any enhancement or increase in area of circle with respect to radius of the circle, we have to find out d of A means pi r square upon dr. It's very simple derivative. ये pi is a constant, r square with respect to r will be 2r. Hence this will be equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r will be equal to d dr of A. And if we put from output of the question under group A, r is equal to 3, then d dr of A will be equal to 2 pi into r is equal to 3. This is 2 into 3 is equal to 6 pi centimeter per centimeter. माने it will be centimeter per centimeter. यानी यूनिट रेडियस इंक्रीजमेंट पर जो डी ए है, द एरिया ऑफ सर्किल विल इनहेंस 6 पाई. एंड द सेम वे क्वेश्चन नंबर बी इज इक्वल टू डी डी आर of A 2 pi r. R means here 4, 8 pi सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर. सेंटीमीटर ये कट जाएगा तो केवल सेंटीमीटर. दिस इज वेल ऑल द रिक्विजिट सॉल्यूशन ऑफ द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 अंडर एक्सरसाइज. इन द कमिंग सेकेंड question of the same exercise 6.1, the question is volume of cube and surface area of the cube. If x be the edge of a cube, you must know that the volume of the cube V will be equal to x cube centimeter cube, and the surface area of cube is equal to 6a square cm square. Here in the question we have taken that question is the volume of cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter square, 8 centimeter cube per second. It is given that dV by dt is equal to 8 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब पर सेकेंड. dV by dt is equal to 8 centimeter cube per second. It's given, and we have to find out the rate of increasing of surface area with respect to edge of the cube. Here we have by the chain rule dV by dt is equal to d dx of V into dx by dt. Now d dx of V means x cube into dx by dt. You know very well that derivative of x with respect to x will be equal to 3x square dx by dt, and here it is given that dv by dt is equal to 8. It means dx by dt is equal to 8/3x². dx by dt is equal to 8/3x². This is the condition number 1, and what we have to find out is now ds by dx is equal to d dx of s, means d dx of s means we have already given s is equal to 6a square, 6a square, and here by chain rule dx by dt. Now due to lack of space on upper portion, now ds by dx is equal to d dx of 6a square. See 6a square, 2 is to 6 means 12a, 12x, here we have written x, 12x into dx by dt. dx by dt from the equation 1 we have received 8/3x², 8/3x². It's very clear, x is cut by this, 12 8 ja 96 upon 3, and x, the age of cube has been given as a 12. So 12 1 ja 12, 12 8 ja 96, 8/3 centimeter square per cm. This is the principal answer, 8/3. Hence it is well known solution of the question. In this question it's given that dr by dt matlab increase in radius with respect to time t is 3 centimeter per second, and you have given the radius as r equal to 10 centimeter. We will have to find out the increase in area of a circle with respect to time t. You know, area of circle with radius r is pi r square, pi r square. Hence d dt of pi r square is equal to d dr into dr ddr of pi r square into dr by dt. Now ddr of pi r square, we have to find out the derivative of pi r square with respect to r. Clearly this will be equal to 2 pi r and dr by dt. By chain rule dr will be cut, hence this will become d dt of pi r square, 2 pi r into dr by dt. Already it's given 3 centimeter per second, 3, it means 3 2 ja 6, 6 pi r. Now d dt of pi r square, when r equal to 10 will be equal to 6 pi into 10, that is 60 pi, and what will be units? Centimeter per second, centimeter square per second. Centimeter square per second. This will be the requisite answer of this question. Now, in the question number 4, we have given dx by dt is equal to 3 centimeter per second, and now under question number 4 we have given dx by dt is equal to 3 centimeter per second, and you have to find out dv by dt while the edge of cube is given x is equal to 10 centimeter. Now V, volume of the cube, V, volume of the cube is equal to x cube volume. So we have to find out the rate of change of volume with respect to t. Now dv by dt will be equal to dx of v into dx by dt. Now dx of v means x cube, and dx by dt is equal to 3 centimeter per second, 3 centimeter per second. Then it's quite obvious, dds of x cube means 3x square into 3, that is 9x square. Hence dv by dt is equal to 9. X square means edge of the cube is 10 square, 9 into 100, that is 900 cm cube per second. This is the requisite answer of this question. Thank you for watching Kanha Math classes for 12th of CBSE board, and I will hope if you like this video, you subscribe and like the video.